In this video I am going to show you that how to apply texture in Nomad Sculpt. I am going to tell some step to apply texture. Watch every step well. Don't miss a single step, otherwise you will be not understand this video. Before starting the video I would like to say one thing. If you want to see more video like this, then subscribe this channel. Open the model on which you want to apply the texture. As if this cube is a model, we have to apply texture on it. First click on the brush tool in the right corner. After that, here you have to select the paint tool. Here you will get three options: stroke, pressure and paint. You have to click on the paint option. After that, you have to scroll down. You can see the texture is written here and a white color box is visible below it. Click on this white box. You will see the plus symbol below. Click on it. Your file manager will open. Here you have to select an image which you want to do as texture. Like I am selecting this image. You have to click on the stroke option above. Here you will see a white box. Click on it. Click on the white box for the selected image to be fully displayed. You have to scroll down. Here you will find a option named Pull Up. Here you have to do this by clicking on custom. Again you have to scroll down and here you have to select the graph dynamics radius. After that, click on the brush symbol to close this dialog box. On the left side you will see the symbol of the mirror. Click on it, then drag it over the model. Your texture should be applied to the model. Here you can select different brushes and apply different type of textures. Here you can consider the roughness and metalness of the texture. That's all for today. See you on the next video.